It's spring again and every tree is going on a blooming spree. New life emerges from the earth, showing God's true handiwork, setting the universe to his pace. God is the creator that can never be erased. Hibiscus wearing vibrant reds, color fragrant flower beds. It's spring again and the hills of green put on gowns of velveteen. Oh, I love nature. Waking up to fresh fruits in the morning with the kiss of the Jamaican sunshine, watching the butterfly, the birds, as they bring forth the morning blessing. Cooking outside is something we're grateful for, harvesting straight from the earth. Freshly picked coconut water ignite your soul, energize you for the morning ahead. As we drink right from this tropical nature, may you see the blessings from God the Creator. Eating fresh from the land is truly from God's hand. The beauty of the butterfly, having fresh coconut water right at hand, drinking it and thanking God for his many blessings. Life in the Jamaican countryside is truly one that awaits you. Fresh berries from your backyard. Living slow in the hills of Jamaica, cooking off the grid, getting in touch with nature. As we light our wood fire in our barrel pit, may you see the beauty of fresh food that surrounds us. Cooking fish, a dish that reminds us that we all should come together and live in harmony as one. As we walk through the nearby bushes, God reminds us that He is the God of nature, the one and only the Creator, who create every little fruits for our needs. He said, "My people have forgotten me because they have moved away from their roots." As the Garden of Eden with the lushness, He said, "Have it all. Everything for you is here. The fruits, the bird, the bees, the trees. Come, my people, nature is calling your name." Look at the beauty of the Jamaican countryside. It tells you that there is a God who lives and abides. He said, "My people shall know me because they will love nature." He said so many have moved into the city, but their resting place is in the country. Cooking on the outside, lighting a fire, watching the bees as they go by. This is my handiwork, created by the one and only God that really cares. He said my identity is found in the lushness of Jamaica. As we take our walk through this fresh tropical nature, may you see the hands of God who is a creator. As the little kids depend on their mother, so we depend on the Father of the universe. Let everything that has breath praise the Lord, for He is worthy. The God of nature, the one who cares for even the little ones. Springs await a dewdrop whirl and welcomes one that's unfurled. Even through the darkest storm cloud lurks God's smile upon His handiwork. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoy this beautiful view of the Jamaican countryside with God, the creator, the master, and the handiwork of nature itself. And know that if you ever feel tired of the hustle and the bustle of this world, come spend a day and get in touch with nature. I am your girl Abbey Faith, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next upcoming nature videos.